So my dear friends, the Sahaba Kiram radiyallahu anhum, they learned salat, their prayer, from the Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam. As Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam says, "Sallu kama ra'aytumuni usalli." You should offer your prayer in a way, in a manner which you are looking to me. How I offered my salah, you also offer your salah. So the Sahaba Karam radiyallahu anhum, they copied the salat and they copied the prayers from the Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam. And whenever they offered salah, they were so determined, and their devotion and concentration, and with determination they offered their salah. They remained calm, motionless, not paying attention towards the other things, not looking right side, left side, not doing any unnecessary movement. They were motionless. And their attention were only and only towards the Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. They were paying their attention towards the Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The ulama kiram says that Sayyidina Abu Bakr radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, and he had learned the salat from the Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam directly. And Sayyidina Abdullah ibn Zubair radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, he learned the salat from the Sayyidina Abu Bakr as-Siddiq radiyallahu ta'ala, who learned from Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam. And the Sayyidina Abdullah ibn Zubair radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, while in salah, when he stood in salat in front of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, he was motionless, like somebody has stuck the piece of food in the ground, motionless. So it is a one story that about the Abdullah ibn Zubair radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, that he remained in sajda for so long. He was motionless in his sajda, in his salat, that sometimes the birds would come and sit on his back. He was so much motionless. And oftenly, sometimes he spent the whole night in one ruku. Subhanallah. Sometimes he spent the whole night in one sajda. That was the determination, devotion, and concentration in salah towards Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Once upon a time, there was in a war. So there was a war against him and his companions. So in a war, one missile, that bullet, big bullet, that hit the wall of the masjid where he was offering his salah. That big bullet, that missile hit the wall of the masjid, and the wall of the masjid was broken and cut into the pieces, and the pieces flew all four corners. So a piece of that wall flew from the wall and passed in between his beard and his throat, his neck. But he remained calm. Neither he shortcut his salah or neither he moved. He remained his salah, did not pay attention to that big piece coming towards him. Nearly he was in danger, but he did not pay any attention towards that. Once he was offering his salah, Abdullah ibn Zubair radiyallahu ta'ala anhu was offering his salah, so that his son was sleeping beside him, near him, and the name of his son was Hashim. He was a child Hashim. So a snake fell down from the ceiling, from the roof of the from the house, yes, and surround that child, coiled that child, and the child woke up and he cried. So the whole family members, they at once came and they killed the snake. Walaikum salam. Walaikum salam. And they killed the snake after he was, because he was crying, so they killed the snake, and he was saved from that snake. So Abdullah ibn Zubair radiallahu ta'ala was very much calm and quiet and remained engaged in his salah. When he finished his salah, so he said to his wife, to the family members, that I heard some noise during my salah. What was that noise? So his wife replied that, may Allah Ta'ala have mercy upon you. The child life was in danger. He was almost killed by the snake. And you did not take any notice. You did not finish your salah. You did not came to him. And you were busy in your salah. His answer was that how could I deviate my attention from the salah, because I was standing in front of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So how could I turn my attention to anything else? So my salah then will not remain the salah the way Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala liked their salah. So that was the salat of the Abdullah ibn Zubair radiallahu ta'ala anhu. That is why Sahaba Ikram Rizwan ta'ala ajma'in achieved everything, the success, the prosperity, the satisfaction, the barakah and blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala with the help of the salat, with the help of their prayers, with the help of amal.